ببساطة بسهولة بصعوبة. Again, ببساطة بسهولة بصعوبة. What do all these words have in common? They have the B in the beginning, easy peasy. Yeah, they have the B sound in the beginning. What is the B? What's the role of the B? What role does it play? Basically, something very similar to the ly in English. Let me translate these for you. You understand what I mean? So the word basata on its own, basata means simplicity. Okay, basata, simplicity. If I add the B in front, B basata, this means simply. Yeah, so the ly in English, that B is kind of like the ly in English here, turning the word into an adverb. The adverb describes a verb. Okay, little bit of technical jargon, grammar jargon. So ببساطة, simply. Then we have suhula is ease, and then bisuhula, easily. Okay, صعوبة is difficulty. بصعوبة is, let me know in the comments. Also, let me know what other words you can think of that have this. There's one very common one I'm thinking of. Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments. بشوفكم الفيديو الجاي. See you in the next video. If you like this video, make sure to check out the free mini course in the bio or description. See you there.